The Microsoft Video Tutorial Lessons use a blended learning model to allow students to learn the programs at their own pace, with the teacher serving as a supplement to answer questions and help struggling students. Students begin by opening the lesson video, which has a table of contents that allows them to quickly navigate to whatever feature they are learning about. The video does not show them how to do their assignment, but acts as more of an encyclopedia that they can check and recheck as needed. Next, they open the practice section of their assignment and practice the feature multiple times, using the step-by-step directions to guide them. The directions also have check marks that help them keep track of where they left off each day. The results of their efforts are automatically recorded on their cover sheet page, which will either show points if they got it right, or a screenshot of their work. This makes it easy for students to check their work and for teachers later to grade it. After they have sufficiently practiced, they will then perform an application where they apply what they have learned in a real-world scenario. These applications act as a strong way of checking for understanding. Finally, students go back to their cover sheet and check the boxes for each feature, asking themselves if they can remember how to use each one. If they don't remember, they are encouraged to go back and watch the video again for a refresher. All assignments also include a solution video, which will show the student exactly how to do the assignment and the application from start to finish. These videos can be used by both student and teachers if they get stumped, and are also a great way to help slower students who are struggling. They can also be a great resource for you when you have a substitute. Miss Funny Business has been working on this model of teaching for more than 10 years and has found it to be the most effective way of putting the learning squarely on the shoulders of the students. Thank you so much for watching.